Santel, Atlas with Atlas and Zeus Promotions. Today I'm here in Bonner Springs, Kansas. This was on Man vs. Food, Kansas City. I'm at Papa Bob's Barbecue, taking on the Ultimate Destroyer. 6.5 pounds, 4.5 pounds of 7 different meats, pound and a half of fries, pickles, lots of bread. I've got 45 minutes to do it. This is my 5th try. It will happen today. I didn't lose 51 pounds for nothing. So let's get this dang thing down. If I win, I'm going to get the meal free, a sweet pin, and I'm going to take my darn pictures off the wall of shame.
Randy, let the pig out begin. Go Randy.
Alright, this time I'm going with the fries first.
The Ultimate Destroyer Sandwich Challenge consists of 7 different meats totaling 4.5 pounds. There is a ½ pound each of pulled pork, sliced pork, smoked ham, smoked turkey, brisket, and sausage, along with 3 ½ pound smoked burger patties. Along with all that meat and a few squirts of Papa Bob's original barbecue sauce, there is 6 pieces of white bread, and everything is sandwiched between a large 12-inch hoagie bun. That massive sandwich is then surrounded by 1.5 pounds of crinkle-cut French fries and either 4 pickle slices or 4 jalapenos. This $55 sandwich is so unique that it was featured on Man vs. Food, Kansas City. The host, Adam Richmond, tried very hard, but he was only able to finish about 2/3 of the challenge within the 45 minutes. Since airing on Man vs. Food in Season 3, over 100 people have tried the challenge, but only 2 people have actually completed it. And both of those people finished with just about 1 minute left in the challenge. Was Atlas able to finally beat the Ultimate Destroyer Challenge and set the record? Continue watching to find out.
Here's the burgers that Adam had a problem with. Last of the burger, brisket, and sausage.
It's all downhill.
Last bit of the ham, 30 minutes left, 2 pounds to go. Minutes left, let's get this bread down. Now time to drink some soda. Avril Lavigne's on right now, that's a good sign of a victory. Last piece of bread, 1 of 6, so. Minutes left, just a little bit left. Oh, this is big. You have no idea how happy this makes me. It's been 2 years in the running. This was the 4th food challenge I ever tried. 5th time is a damn charge. Thank God I don't have to pay. Adam Richmond failed this thing. Atlas just dominated it in under 33 minutes.
Good man. Now relax.
Now my 5 minutes starts. I got to hold it down. Now I will get my pen, the sandwich free,
T-shirt.
and way more than that, I finally get to sleep good, knowing that I've beat the ultimate destroyer. It has been sunk. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, good for it.